it's starting to make sense because I was eating kelp today, and at the same time on the same day, um, somebody taught me about just what radium. I not really that much about it, but I didn't know. I forgot, or I didn't know. So they were making like cats and goldfish and shit that glows. Remember that cat that glows? Its fur came out looking like it was 3D printer, like a 3D printed fur. That shit is real. Um, so I got some of my people on it, and they've been deployable for several months and stuff. They found out some information, and they found feedbacks over it. So we got the facts right, and they were trying to figure out something about the bat, right? An organism that can make vitamin C, which is like plants usually make vitamin C, right? They're trying to get microorganisms, biological organisms that are, I don't want to say mammals, you know what I mean, amphibious, like not plants, basically, to work together like a ship with many oars. Like they have this thing in science that they were talking about a long time ago in Science Channel, right? Some they're trying to get ahead of nature. They know the next step or something like that. The thing is, it's de-evolution, not evolution. But it doesn't matter. Specification. It could still happen on the microbial level, right? Like they still might be have like more. Okay, so this thing called a slick ribbon was like a worm, and it has oars that filled up with algae, and so it was able to command the oars. Basically, I don't know how much strength it took. Maybe it's, but it became it like so. Maybe they gave it like superpowers, like the algae gave the worm superpowers to be able to swim around. And this thing's like a monster, throws its jaw. It has its mouth inside, and it'll shoot that shit out and try to grab some shit. It's like if you've ever been fishing with the pile worms, like they have that shit, right? But if they can get algae to produce radium, then they're, what I'm saying, getting computer chips to work with some microbials and things is what's going on right now. That's what is the thing that they're, some, what I'm saying, don't believe about the quantum processors and stirring pools of, like that might just be the scam. You know what I mean? Because that's all right and well and fine if you want to say that since there's no vibration in these pools, so the quantum tide pools, and if they're not moving, you could stir it and it'll just stir forever. Or they have different things that like they have different sets of uh, conditions for things that can be potentially happen in these quantum processors that are like frozen sub zero, right? I don't know if there's a sub zero, but because yeah, it's just like a different scale. There's uh, Fahrenheit and I wanted to say Kelvin, but I think my memory is falling. What they have in Europe. Okay, so and then of course there's like probably some fucking criminal mastermind idea that I'm not even like knowing as well too, right? But still like basically just like release the Kraken kind of shit because you're going into the ocean with an intention of messing around with like you know, well, that's what it is. Like accidentally fucking release the Kraken and now it's coming together. Like just because we haven't done it yet, you know what I'm saying? If man can perceive and can think of it, then we have scientists that will ignore aspects of reason and will go and develop in these areas. We just develop it. And then have part of it develop in places to get around the laws and shit like that. So this could have been a research virus thing that was helping them to unlock some keys and how to kind of get ahead of like basically those projections on what nature might be. But if they were wrong, then they might still be in some trouble. Like it might still be a problem. And it's still Conspiracy Tuesday.
I have a couple more hours left. I might be making another video if I have any more X Files. If I hear any more X